What if the moon, that familiar light in your night sky, was not slowly formed over millions of years, but violently born in just a few hours? A new supercomputer simulation just changed everything we thought we knew. For decades, scientists believed the moon formed gradually from a cloud of debris left behind after a massive ancient impact, a slow, patient process. But the highest resolution simulation of lunar formation ever created tells a completely different story. It begins 4.5 billion years ago. A Mars-sized body, a rogue planet scientists call Theia, comes hurtling toward the early Earth at catastrophic speed. The collision is beyond anything the human mind can truly picture. Two worlds colliding with the force of trillions of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously. The impact tears apart both bodies, sending unimaginable amounts of rock, fire, and molten debris screaming out into space. And then, something extraordinary happens. That debris does not scatter endlessly into the void. It clumps, it pulls together, gravity doing what gravity always does. Two bodies begin to form from the wreckage, one larger, one smaller. The larger body, battered, scarred, reforming, will become the Earth we know today. The smaller body will become our moon. And here is what makes this simulation truly remarkable. The gravity of the recovering Earth does not pull the smaller body back. Instead, it propels it forward, launching it outward onto a wide and perfectly stable orbit. In just a few hours, the moon found its place in the sky, a place it has held for 4.5 billion years. Every time you look up at the moon, you are looking at the scar of the most violent moment in Earth's entire history. Does knowing how the moon was really born change the way you see it tonight? Tell us in the comments below.